Well, welcome, my whimsical family. I'll be doing this barbecue ribs just for you. Our family and friends, it's your Jamaican girl Norlene. And of course, to prepare the ribs, I will remove the thin membrane from the inner part of the ribs and then wash with lime and vinegar. Of course, let me welcome my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. Remember, hit the like button and share my channel with your friends and encourage them too to subscribe. Thank you so much. So guys, I've rinsed my meat and I'm going to go straight into seasoning with a blend of powdered season. I have some red blended season. I have paprika, I have garlic powder, I have allspice, guys, some steak seasoning, all purpose, and brown sugar. I'm gonna add to that some finely chopped garlic, and I drizzle onto that some olive oil, rub it in well nice and good, guys. I'm gonna grate to that some ginger, and I'm gonna cover it and allow it to marinate. Now, this promises to be a delightful meal, so go ahead and hit that like button. Save my channel to your favorite playlist and follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Thank you so much, guys. Remember to push your post notification so that you will be notified as soon as I upload a video. Now, guys, I move straight into the frying of my ribs. Now, guys, if you want to go straight to putting this in the oven, it's up to you, but my love flavor, I am big on flavor and taste. So guys, I of course fry it just a shallow fry on both sides. Put this on my baking tray lined with foil, guys. I'm going to show you how we boss up this thing right now. Alright, so I'm using the same frying pan and I'm just going to put in a little bit of barbecue sauce with a little bit of broth to make a kind of sauce to add on to the ribs. I'm going to encase them in the foil and bake them at 350 degrees for about an hour and a half. Now let me hasten to send out my well wishes. Congratulations to you if you're celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any other extra special milestone in your life. Know that Wim sees, loves, and appreciate you. Alright, so after enclosing it, guys, I'm putting it in the oven. It is important for you to know that I've placed some water in the baking tray so that it steams while it is baking. Maximum tenderness, and that may I go after. Now, guys, this is what it looks like after about an hour and a half. Boy, may I tell you, this bad subtly can don't see there, it'll fall off of the bone already, so it's time to spice it up. So guys, while preparing the final step, I will share with you the food for thought. 2 Peter 3 verse 9 reminds us that we have such a wonderful loving Father who doesn't want any of us to perish. He wants to save us all, and that's why he calls us to repentance. He said that he is not slack concerning his promises. So guys, we jump right back into making the barbecue sauce. So family and friends, you can see all the thing go. I have moved it from the baking tray, from the foil, into a baking dish. You can use whatever dish you want to use. I've poured off the excess oil, and guys, it's time now for nice up the sauce here. So I'm using the sauce, as I said, from the foil, and guys, may add some more barbecue sauce to that, some orange juice and some brown sugar. I'm gonna stir this in, guys, spoon it all over the ribs and then brush it right in to make sure every crevice and corner get some barbecue sauce. Place it on broil for about 7 to 10 minutes, guys, and trust me, you will have a delightful barbecue rib. See the people, it's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me, guys. See the people, the meal is served. I have served it with some bulgur and of course some plantain and some mixed vegetable. Guys, we can't wait for digging into this. I know that you have enjoyed the time in the kitchen with me, so I'll see you next week, guys. Love, 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 love you. Mwah. I'll see you next week.